Well, it's the 10th of June 2009. Looks like my Queen Elizabeths are about to come into bloom. Good, about time too. Bit of a chill in the air today. I see Mr. Grey Squirrel still there feeding. Blue tit on the nut feeder. And we have a female blackbird coming to have a late breakfast. Now this is the other female blackbird, and they don't like each other, territorially I mean. The good thing about these cages is the big birds don't frighten off the little birds, so they can have a feed in safety, and the squirrels can't get into there. I always make sure, of course, that corn is put on the ground for the larger birds and the pheasants, which you may see later. You'll see the babies have been demanding again as usual this time of year.